Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will show you how to use some tools in Tekla Structure 2025. Okay, let's get into the next step. First, you need to install the Tekla Structure. If you already installed, then go to the Tekla warehouse. You can watch some video to how to download a Tekla Structure 2025 or go to the official Tekla website on how to download the software of the some Tekla software. Some Tekla softwares in the official website. But in this video I will just show you how to use some tools in Tekla Structure. First, I already search for the Tekla warehouse. After you already in here, just search sample. So in this video, I will just show you how to use some tools, and I will use the sample building and engineering LOD 350 sample project. After that, you log in to download, or you can sign in first. Skip for now. After you log in to the Trimble account, you can download the sample project. Click download. I use the 2025 version of Tekla Structure, so I will use the 2025 version. Click just download. I already have the file, so I will just click close or an X symbol here. I will just close this and go to the file explorer. Go to the folder where you have the sample project. In my computer is in the compress folder. This one is the engineering LOD 350 sample project. After that, you can extract the folder to local disk or the C folder, local disk, and then choose Tekla Structures models, and then click OK. I already copy and paste it to the folder, but it's okay. Click yes to all. After you copy and paste it to the Tekla model, Tekla structures. Tekla Structures models. You go close this file explorer and then go to the open the Tekla Structure 2025 version. Tekla Structures 2025. In this video, I will just use the default environment, but if you want to use the other environment like Southeast Asia or US, you can download it in the official website. In this case, I will just use the default environment, and the role is engineer. You can use other role like bridge designer and etc. I will just use the engineer role because it says more, it is more general. So the configuration, I use the educational, and click OK. After that, you can click all models. After all models, you can click the engineering LOD 350 sample project, click that and click open. Click OK. Okay, in this video I will just move the name views like the plan and the 3D. I will just use one more, the plan first. Yeah, and I will just move back the plan 00 to the name views. I will just use the two visible views. You can also use the remaining name views, but I will just, for an example, I will just use two visible views. After that, you can click OK. You can full windows this 3D one, and you can already see the sample project. You can use the middle button on your mouse to move around, and you can use this control in your on your keyboard plus your middle mouse. You can move around like this. If you want to move around specific object, you can click that object and you can choose to move around it. Yeah, so that's how you this one. Yeah, this one, this one, this one. This is the symbol that this is the point where you will get move. This is the object that will move around. So let's get to the next step. That's how to move around in Tekla Structures, and you can also go to the 2D plans of the buildings. You can click view and switch to the 2D plan. This is the 2D plan or a plan. You can also switch to the 3D by clicking the button here in the view tab. Yeah, or you can just also click your Ctrl button on your keyboard, but this is just still 3D, not the 2D, not the plane. If you want to switch to plane, you click this button. Yeah, this is the 2D. Now I will show you how to manage the two drawings. So you can click the window and click the tile vertically. This is the 3D one, and this is the plan first floor, I think. And you can turn this into 3D. Yeah, this is the 3D one. This is the plan of the first. Yeah. Okay, after that I will show you how to clip some parts of the building you can also clip it. For example, in this building, I will use the clipping tools here and choose the clip plane. For example, I will just clip some parts of the building. I will just start from here, yeah, and then I also want to select the top of the building like here, and I can click escape. So what is the clipping tools do here? You can click the scissors here and click it, and you can hold, and then like this you can also see like the section, the cross section of the building. You can from the side. This is from the top. I choose the top because it can also move the or clip the building temporary like this. But if you don't want this, you can click the scissor symbol here and click delete. You can also click the other one and click delete. That's on how you to clip the building temporary. Okay. For the next one is you can also change the visible, like if you press the control and +1, you got like this. You know, if you press the control and 2, you got like this, and 3 you got like this, and 4 you don't in Ctrl +4 you don't see through the walls. But if you want, just click the just touch the control and +2 button, you can see through the walls, or yeah, you can see through the objects, yeah. And control +5 if like you can clearly see through the objects like this, yeah. Okay, that's how you manage the visible object. On to the next is you can also create or build a drawing, general arrangement drawing. I will show you on the plan first. Okay, to build a general arrangement drawing, you can click the background here until it show the orange border. After that, you can click right on your mouse and then click the create general arrangement drawing and choose the plan first plus 22050, and make sure the options is all selected views to be one drawing, and choose the open drawing. And you can also manage or modify the general arrangement drawing properties, but for now we'll just use the default. And after that, click OK. After that, click create. It will take a few seconds, I think, under 20 seconds maybe, under 20 seconds. So this is the GA, sorry, so this is a GA drawings. It shows the 2D, and it has already a dimension and the profile of the section, but the drawing is too big for the paper here. To fit to the paper, you can click the background here, the border of the gray here. Just click it, and then you can click here the symbol of the settings, and you can scale the drawings into 150 and click enter or modify to fit the drawings border. You can wait here. It is already scaled to 150 from 100. To move it, you can select the gray border here and choose one of the green rectangle here. For example, I will just click here and then hold it and then move like maybe here and like that. You can manage to move the drawings to be a better position. Also, for the next steps, I will show you how to modify the what is its name? The symbols, yeah. You can also manage the dimension. You can delete some it. For example, if you want, you can delete this one because it is already here and on the top. You can delete this by select the objects and click delete. You can also delete here if you want, but I think we don't have to. If you want to move up, move down, you can select the objects and then hold it, and then you can move it like this. And you can also move this symbol here, the symbol here, to be in a better position like this. But for example, I will just use like this. I will just I will just remove this. Remove this all. Remove this dimension. Remove all the dimensions you want. For example, like this is it has too much dimensioning and makes you just for example, just choose the dimension you want to delete. Yeah. You can also add the dimension. Yeah. For example, like this, you can also edit in the dimensioning tabs. Click the horizontal or the vertical. For example, like this, I will just use this guy and to this, and after that you can click escape. For example, like this, and then you can click middle of your mouse, and then you can click escape. Okay, that's how you to add a dimension. This is, you can move this like this, like this, and you can delete this. Can like this, and then click middle button and then escape. That's how to add a dimension. For example, I will delete this, and just if you done modifying the dimension, like this is maybe not the right modifying of the dimension, but I'm just showing you how to modify it. Yeah. For example, this also I can move it. I will move this symbol here and to the top, and move this guy down right here. And I will also want to move this guy. Sorry, I'll just move it down. This is a lot of symbol, bro. Yeah, like this. I will just modify it like this. Okay, just if you are already done with the modifying the J drawing, you can also add a revision mark. Like for example, I will just minimize the J drawings, and I will modify here the column here. For example, I will just click Ctrl and 2. Sorry. Minimize it and click this and click Ctrl 2, or you have to close the drawing mode first and click yes. Then after that you can modify the model here and click the Ctrl 2, and then after that you can use this to filter the selected objects. You can use the object concrete column. I will use the F3 columns and the G3 columns, also the F2 columns and the G2 columns. Oh, this is not concrete, yeah, sorry, this is a steel column. Yeah, after you select the selected object, you can change the profile here. For example, maybe this one, and after that click modify. Yeah, show it is already modify. Yeah, after that you can go back to the GI drawings by click the view and click the document manager and choose the GI drawings. Choose the latest or the GI drawing that you want to see that it has changed the column, the steel column. Click it and will take some time. And you can see here that the selected object or the revised object, the steel column here is symbolized by a cloud. Yeah. What does this mean? This means that it has been revised or modified. And if you do see this symbol, it means that it has been modified or changed. Yeah. But I will show you how to add some revision mark here. You can choose the drawing tab and then choose the revision mark. And you can close the document manager. Yeah, you can choose the revision mark and then add revision mark. You can name this column C. For A is the symbol and C is the column. ASC is symbolizing A for A, and SC is still column. And then you can give a description like steel column changes profile column change, like this. You can you can save the revision mark here. Yeah, maybe it's too has more, it has too much word. Then I will just choose the A, like this, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, and then you can click escape. You can delete this, and you can close the GI drawings and click yes. And then you can open the GI drawings again. Click the document manager and choose the GI drawings. Choose the drawings you want to open, the previous GI drawings. The previous GI drawing. And you can see here on the right side of the border here, or the border of the drawing. You can see the description here. Yeah, it has ASC profile column change, but I think it might be wrong because I already modify it to A, but it's okay. You can change it back. And you can modify the font height. And you can close this first. For example, 1. If you don't want it too big. Yeah. 1 and ASC. Click modify. Or if you have this kind of error, you can build another one again. Like for example, you do it again like this, and with the 1 millimeter of font height, so it does not too big, yeah, the text. Okay, you can click close and close. You can click close the jet drawing and see it for it again. Go to the document manager and click the jet drawings. Click the jet drawing that you want to open. Okay, yeah, that's already same. ASC, yeah. Okay, and then for the next step is on how you to create a section in the jet drawings. You can click the views option, the views tab, and click the what is this, section view, cross section view. This is the cross section view or the section view. For example, I will choose this steel column here and this steel until this steel column here. This show how much length, not how much like boundary you want to put. Yeah, I can choose to not fully have the cross section here. I will just place it in here and then until here, yeah, or until here to see it has the column. Okay, I will, after that you can this symbol is on where do you want to put the cross section view. For example, I will just put it here. Yeah, this is the sorry, I will just try it again. For example, like this. Yeah, I will just choose it in here and also in here. Okay, I will just put it here. Okay, so this is the symbol. Yeah, show you it is from here to here. Yeah, for example, I will just make another one, but another one from here to here, and then I will just also same for the length from there to here. Yeah, like this. Let's see how the difference. Yeah, it has more. So this one is not really good. Yeah, this is good. It has the annotations and the symbol, and then has more clear drawings. Yeah, if you compare to this one, and you can also change the elevation. And here I just take this much of the elevation, but I can increase it by click this gray border here, and you can click here and then click, and then you can hold it to the top. Yeah, then it increases the level of the column, of the steel column. Yeah, and you can also move the cross section from, for example, I will just move it here. I will move it also this one to be more to the right. Yeah, this is just for example. And after that, you can also print this by choose the menu, and then you can print the drawings. For example, I will just use the PDF files, and then include, what is this? Yeah, yes. After that, include revision mark to file name if you want to add the revision mark. If don't, you can uncheck it. And just in case, you click the open folder when finished to get to know on where your file is safe. Yeah, and then you can also open file when finished if you want, and make sure to fit to paper is check, and you can print it. And you can try to open the file here to see. Yeah, it is the, because I use this Tekla Structures educational, it has some text here. Just if you don't want this, you can choose the professional or the paid license. Yeah, this is just for a example. Yeah, you can close the drawings. Okay, you can close the GA drawings. Click yes, and then on to the next is I will show you on how to see the order preference model. Like, you can use this, you can click this button here, reference models, and you can also see the architectural design or the architectural model here, like this. Yeah, you can also see the MEP. You can also, the landscape or the equipment. Yeah, you can uncheck this MEP first, then you can go to the landscape. Yeah, the landscape is right, like right here, like here. You can also see it. It is the landscape. You can uncheck the landscape if you want. Yeah. So if you want to export it or print this, you can also do it. Just go to the menu, print this. If you want, but it has just, if you already the GA range drawings, but if you want to export to the IFC and to analyze the model here, you can also do that. Just go to the menu and click export, click the IFC file, and make sure to name it, for example, sample or engineering. Yeah, make sure the file format is IFC and the export type is coordination view 2.0. And like this you can edit the property sets on what you want to share or what you want to export here. Just keep it to the default, in this coordination view 2.0. And for the export, click the all objects to make sure the all objects will be exported. And yeah, like that. And just click. If you want to also like the absence here, you can also export the worlds, the spaces. I'll just keep it as default and go to the parameters again, click export. It will take some time in just this depends on your model. I think this is quiet, not really big, but yeah, it will take some time. Okay, to open the or how to know the folder, your IFC file exported is to go to the menu and open model folder and click the IFC, and you can see the IFC file here. If you want to open the IFC file, you can use the IFC viewer such as Trimble Connect. Okay, you can print the drawings here if you want. Click here, see the plot if you want, but I think I already show you the drawings before on how to print it. Yeah, like this. Maybe just that's it for today on how to use some tools in Tekla Structures 2025. If you want some other tutorial, just click in the comment down below, and thank you.